Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Thursday, June 29th, 2023. If you're an individual affected by a layoff, or if you're a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now, on to today's headlines. In sad news for nature lovers, National Geographic, one of America's longest-running magazines, has reportedly laid off the last of its staff writers, with approximately 19 writers being let go. They will presumably be replaced entirely by freelancers, so the magazine isn't going anywhere just yet, but it does show the state of journalism and the media space. Additionally, the publication will go off newsstands entirely sometime next year, becoming a digital-only subscription.